So guys, welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with the Scooby. Ain't back with anything else because we haven't got anything else yet. And subframe. We're working on the subframe. Taken out the old bushings already, and how I've done it is I drilled them out, drilled a hole in the side of them. Well, on one of them I did, and then I decided that this saw could get in between these little sides, in between there, and so I cut them out, cut these out. Then we got a brand new set of chisels, thank you Screwfix. It is Screwfix. Yeah, we just smashed them out. I must say that this one was the easiest one to come out, apart from that one. And now we're installing on the hatch, we're installing these 516 Black series into the subframe. They went in pretty easily, to be fair, no grease needed, but I just put them around it anyway, just to make sure. Definitely going to grease these up, just in case when I hit them in, they might not go all the way in. Well, proved me wrong already. So yeah, so the one thing I wanted to say is the instructions that Powerflex, yeah, that's it. So here's the diff, all reconditioned and everything. The smaller washers, if I can get them off, these ones go on here quickly. Do take a bit of persuasion, I'm not going to say they don't, because they do. There we go. They go up against the subframe, up against the diff. So yeah, we painted the diff the best as we can. We've never painted a diff before. We kept this that colour, or whatever colour it is, normal stock colour, just to make sure that if it leaks again, because it was leaking before I took it off, that I could see it happening. Because I think if it's on black, the only way I'm going to see it is if it's all like dirty and sooty, and yeah, I didn't really want that. And I've got new bolts for it. They're all torqued down already. Can't remember the torquings, but I can always find them for you if you ever need them. And then you get these sleeves. You get a pot of grease. Definitely should have used the grease, but it just went straight in. Pretty sure that's what the grease is for. And then you get these bigger bushings. Now these bigger bushings will sit on the here, and then these nuts that they provide you with as well come in within the J16 BLK, and they sit in there, and then they go on top. So yeah, pretty easy procedure, to be fair. Then I do have to fit the ones that go in there as well. Again, look, that's just too easy. Just slip straight in there. Not sure how far they're going to have to go, because I'm pretty sure these sit pretty flush up against it with these in place. Oh, nearly dropped it. Like that. And then the bushing hasn't come out the other side yet. Just the it did push this out, so be wary on that. And then this goes the same for this one. Probably would have been easier just to do this first time around, actually. But yeah, that is all done, apart from maybe push that back in. And that's all back in, and there. They are done. All sorted. Really sussed out because it seems a bit too easy, if that makes sense. Because it was much more harder getting the old ones out than it was putting them in. I thought I was going to have a right fucking shit time if I put them in. The only other thing I'm a bit worried about is the new bushing. So when they sandblast this. Obviously they didn't coat it that well on this side. Hopefully you can't see that. The bushings are a bit naffed, shall I say. But you can't get them anywhere because I can't find them anywhere. So we're just going to send it. These are reinforced subframe bushings that I have. I can go and get it for you. Remember, this is a WRXGH, so do not buy the wrong. What's it called? Do not buy the wrong one. So originally it had the 20 and 21 bushings, but you need the 514s BLK, or if you're going purple, for it, due to the fact that they do not fit one bit, and they are designed for 2011. The other ones are the 21 BLK and 20 BLK. Pretty sure that's what they were, but these are the ones that will fit in. So let's get this on. I'm just going to lay that down, clean up my mess a little bit, and then crack on with trying to get them in. So we're back. So you get two different types of bushings for the subframe. These go on the bottom, the smaller ones go on the bottom, the bigger ones go on the top. And you can see that by the fact that there is two holes there. Same goes with that side. Now the hole, I feel like that's going to be a bit of a bummer. And the same goes for the other side. And what I'm going to do is just grease them up, try and get them in. I've got myself a little mallet here, so we can give it a little tappy tap and a little bit of persuasion to not mess us around. And yeah, it's nice to know that you've had this sandblasted for a couple £100, and you can still see rust coming out of certain areas. Brilliant investment. Oh well, that's what you do. That's what happens when you take it to a bike shop. So yeah, here goes nothing. So I'm going to show you one so I don't bore you in all these different. That's how it really goes. I just cannot believe how easy it is to do. I've tried this before and it had not gone in that easily. So I don't know what's going on. Simple as that, apparently. That's some easiness. I don't know what's going on. Someone else doing that side. Just solve this over. So we've done that side. We've still got the rest of that side. So again, this side. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. And this side, well, again, still got the little holes. And that is just that is double. There it is. Can't believe it. It's static like this one, just straight into it. This one. So we'll be able to see them. Plus them to pick the bolts up and flower. One thing I had to save on, not buying. But that is it as well. I might as well do the whole bottom. And remember, PFR 69-514 BLK. Ready. Got yourself a part over there. Go on to the website. Don't give another bar. And wash. You reinforce this frame for only what actually I think that's going to be how much I found it. I'll say around £100. I'm not 112. I'm going to suck it to try to get that off. That's it. There's much 12. Here we are. I thought I'd tell you this all with just tools out my disposal, like getting the bushings out. All I've only used is hammer, chisel. I use a press at work for some of the bushings, but really all you need to get bushings out is drill, a hammer maybe, and some chisels. So yeah, good hammer, good solid, little hammer layers. Being used to them. Right on. One of these, find your local tool shop. Or online, US Pros. Not the greatest, but still do the job. In fact, I haven't had a problem with these US Pro ones. Apart from the big ones, but that's the fact that if you get drums or anything like that, you do split and you're incising that in them. Once again, another one. Me taking the business down. That one's done. I'm going to just do these as quickly as possibly can. I think I'm going to have a slight problem with this one. So we've got your hammer. Look, spray and then it all falls out. That's how easy they've gone in. In fact, mine's very smart. Go back out a bit. I think we might be on to it on that one. I think that might just be the way they sit on top. I don't know if they go down any further. that's the best way to get it. Try to remember that, I've got to go back in. I'm going to just crack on this side, and also I'm going to leave one side. This is the side that I think I had trouble with. You'll just keep putting yourself back in. Okay, so and then it's the back of it. Get the swing in. Hands on, I might just have to bolt it. And then nice and sound. Take your eyes off it for 1 second. See if it's up on my range. Good. Yeah, right. So, yeah, this one doesn't like it, but what we're going to do is we're going to sandwich it. Sandwich it in with the mount on top of the car, and it should just seal properly. And then we torque it, and we should be all good to go. It's again, this one now, this, that's one two. But I mean, this bush is just too far gone. So I'm going to have to see if I can get hold of some one bush. And it goes in. With a bit of persuasion. I'll try again. But yeah, that's that. See, so I'm going to put these bolts back in. This new rub off links. That's it. New hops, new hops. And now that's what we've seen done. Thank you for watching, guys. So that's all what we're going to have done on the subframe for now. Your next video you'll see of the subframe is us actually installing it. I hope whatever I've explained and how I've said how to do it and all that mojo helps. If not, you've got any questions, just down below, and be happy to help, happy to give my advice. Some stuff I might not know, and I might just tell you to direct yourself over to the Subaru group on Facebook. I know some Christians, people don't know, are stupid because, you know, people think it's stupid because they think it's just common knowledge, but if you've never worked on a Subaru before, then you wouldn't know. So just like I've never done this to a Subaru, spray underneath of it, not got a clue. My advice is to just do your research, but yeah, I'll help as much as I can. So yeah, that's on there. Next video will be on us tackling the fuel tank. We're not dropping the fuel tank, no bloody way. I think where it is right now, there is no need for us to drop it. If I'm going to drop it, it means that I'm going to need a 2-post ramp, or yeah, 2-post ramp, and I strip the whole bottom of it. But future things coming, I just know, you know, get our own garage, then we can get our own 2-post ramp, and then I would say we do it properly, because we are trying to do it properly now, but we do it even better with a 2-post lift than on just 4 axle stands that are holding this car on up for God knows how long now. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I appreciate every single one of these views and every single subscribe. I know that the channel name has changed to myself now, literally, so what I'm going to be doing now is just myself, videos for myself. That's what I wanted to do. So Pure Performance is still there. You still can grab merch off the website. I'll still put the website thing in the description, but now is just my own Instagram, who I am. Any questions, happy to help. Thank you for watching.